Hey y'all, so I've been contemplating this for a few days now. My son is 4 years old, okay, and his hair has always been like crazy dry, crazy, like his curls are tight, like I could moisturize his hair and it be soaked up by the end of the day. I know from being natural, the way his hair takes moisture, it has to be wet. But then he, growing now, wants his hair to look a certain way. He wants braids in the top, fade on the sides and the back. You know, just going off of stuff that he sees other kids and adults. So what I decided to do, because it's just really looking crazy how his top is growing versus his back half, and baby, we on our budget, so I be trying to do his hair myself. And I only like him to get his hair cut at the Dominicans. I feel like they do such a good job with his shape up and stuff like that. But for the top today, I decided to get that's correct. And we're gonna texturize his hair today. I'm about to go pick him up from school. It's 10:56. So when I pick him up from school, we're gonna start recording. I'll be right back.
Look at the front. It's really cool. And the sides, just look at the back. Wow. Side. 2 seats. 3 seats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seats. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 seats. And look at the bottom. See? It's the hot rod. Can you see it, y'all? Where's the hot rod? Oh, it's right here. Okay. Yep. They see the hot rod. Okay. Wait, I forgot to show them the top. Look at the top of my nice car. I just heard the kick. I'm gonna match you. Here's your hair. And you're washing your head. I'm washing the car.
So do you know what we're about to do? What?
Take my nappy hair out.
Don't say that. I don't call your hair nappy.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. Grandma does.
Well, I always hear you because when we was walking, you said, you said, we about to take your nappy hair out.
No, I didn't.
I really heard you say it.
I didn't say nappy hair out.
You said you would take my nappy hair out.
No.
Oh, what you said?
No, I said we about to give you a texturizer.
Oh, no, you didn't.
I did, Gracie. You can put Vaseline on this part of the process, but the box also said that we can use this right here. I'm just bringing it down a little bit. I'm gonna do this.
Mommy, this is cool. Look like that. I'm at the barber shop. It's really fun too. hair?
No, it's not gonna change the color.
Well, I want my hair to be white.
No, we ain't gonna make your hair white.
Yes, I like white, cause so people can't see my hair. Cause Daddy gonna see. Wow, you made magic. And Daddy gonna say, and I'm gonna say yes. So my hair to be white. Daddy not gonna be able to see my hair. Everybody in this world not gonna see my hair either.
Baby, at this point,
It's cold.
it's cold.
Yes.
That's it. It ain't burning enough, right?
Ow.
See, that's that thick stuff.
It's cold. It's cold. Ow. Look at my hair, y'all. It's white. Mom, my hair is gold. It's gold white. It is gold white. It is so white. Ow! Ow! What is you?
Sit up! Why are you falling all over the place?
Ow! Ow!
Leslie,
Ow!
stop. Don't do that.
Ow!
It's gonna be better. I promise you.
Ow!
Listen.
Hey! My hair! I don't want everybody to see my face. Because they're going to be laughing at me. Ow. Ow! That hurts.
I'm sorry. But your hair is so tightly coiled. Oh, look.
It's gold.
Oh.
This is fun. But the comb is not fun. It's nasty.
Please excuse my baby.
My whole hair.
It's going to be curly now.
No. Please don't make it curly. It's some of my shirt.
It's not on your shirt. It's
Oh.
on your neck.
How long is this going to be?
Um,
How long is this going to be?
in a few minutes.
Okay. And my hair so cool. Yeah, you can't see my hair. You don't know.
Ah, keep your head still.
Oh. It don't drip in my head, in my eye.
Drip in your eye?
No, it almost. You gotta be careful, Mommy.
I'm ready to wash this out now.
Oh, come on, just do it.
Is it burning?
No.
I'm scared your hair gonna be straight.
It better not be curly. What are you doing, man? Stop it. What are you doing to my hair? Hey!
You ready?
Yes.
I'm scared.
I'm not gonna be brave.
Alright, push the stop button.
Stop button right here.
No. Red. You ready?
Yes. Ow. Is that it? Let me look in the mirror. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not.
What?
It needs to have my hair like this, held down.
You don't like it?
No,
Come on.
it needs to be one like these chips.
Get the chips and come on. You messed with the video. Just get a bag and let's go.
Hey. Oh, it's some dripping down my neck.
You need scissors for this part, but I
No, don't cut my hair.
I'm not cutting anything.
But you said you need scissors.
I said use scissors to open it.
Hey, Claudia. Hey. Stop doing that.
Be sweet.
Bye. My own laundry. Look, that girl changed her hair. My daddy changed my hair.
I've never been able to do this with your hair.
Well, I like that girl. Because she's got long hair too. You like my hair? And these should be like that little girl hair. Yeah, you do. I saw